Sunny space!
So loud! These camper stops are amazing. They are all over the Western Europe. There's place to park your vehicle legally and some services like dumping your toilet, dumping your grey water, and you can take a fresh water to your tank. And leave your camper to the park and go explore the town if the weather allows.
We rarely see other motorhomes or any neighbors, so it's fun to actually observe things happening around you. Now the Frenchman is trying to pack up to his spot. But yeah, we drove yesterday 6 kilometers with our truck, and there's zero power loss, and also there's no jerking feeling at all. So now when we have actually drove that much, I would say it's 30% chance that it's fixed, the whole truck. So now we don't have anything broken in the truck. That is good feeling when you have that kind of situation once in a while. With the old truck it's always the same thing. You always need to take care of things. You cannot get a list, because then the whole situation will collapse when you have too much to do. Is the Frenchman?
Are they in the ditch?
Yes, they are in the ditch. Hopefully they can get out.
Whoa, it's quite windy here. We came to camper stop to shelter. This another storm. There is storm after storm after storm everywhere. It's ridiculous. This tiny camper stop is full of people because everybody came to the safe haven. And it's so windy. Look at those trees. They are like flying in the air. The storm is upon us, and we are glad the police evicted us from the park, because all these trees are like really going this way. It's a bit scary. But we are here safe and sound. In the camper stop, this is free one, and next to the Sevilla, not the center of the Sevilla, some little town. And it's fun to see all these smaller ones here too, and not just big RVs.
Yeah, yesterday was a little bit sunny, so we could actually fill out batteries, and now we can use our laptops as we will.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's horrible. It's been many months of rain and storms in Portugal and in Spain.
The whole Iberian Peninsula, I think this has been the worst winter ever, because there has been like 5 or 7 storms. And storm after storm.
Yeah, yesterday Cadiz was flooding a lot, and the rain continues today, like in a double rate. So
yeah,
hopefully everyone is okay
and safe. Yeah. Look at the curtain going that way. We like to keep one window open, just cracked a little bit so the air circulates here. This is so old camper, there's not much air ventilation, so it helps. Yeah. Jani will study the whole day, and I don't know, I clean and cook. Yeah. These are boring days, these indoor. days. But they are part of this lifestyle.
The storm is settled finally, so we actually survived the storm.
Exactly.
It was one of the worst storms in Portugal for decades.
And now we are in Spain.
That's true. We are in Spain.
We travel so fast we forget which country we are in. We left the camper stop and came more into the nature. This road is excellent because it has collapsed and there has been flash floods, so in Google Maps it says road closure. We can be the only ones here.
Yeah, they fixed the road in 3 days, and now still on the government website it says it's closed. So I'm pretty sure that nobody else is driving this road when they see the Google Maps saying road closure.
The notorious loft bed, and we have to put the sheets to the bed. This is the time when the divorce becomes kinda close. It's so annoying task. There is saying you want to test your relationship in van life, but it's not about whether the van breakdowns or when you are hungry. It's this, putting the sheets in your bed.
I think being hungry is a danger zone. A big danger zone.
This is a true test of your relationship, how well you can put the sheets without any major arguments.
Where is another corner? I want to find another corner. There.
I help.
No.
No help.
No help. It wasn't good enough. Almost divorced.
It was close. I hate this mattress because it becomes wrinkly.
Small wrinkly divorce.
Now it's done. Clean sheets. The joy of camper life. This is the best feeling ever.
The weather and the mood that we have is not equal at the moment. The rain still continue at least 3 or 4 days or so. But the truck is working. We have the almost full power. I think there is some less than usual, but nothing special. We have like 90% or 95% of the power with us. Well, the weather are horrible again. It's rainy, but we are not in a stellplatz, we are in nature, so the feeling is really good. When you leave the society behind, it feels so much better in you, because yeah, being here compared to in a town or city, it's so much better. We're gonna shelter rain for a couple of days. I'm gonna study and we watch some movies together and that kind of things. That is our plan for the next days. Again, we are in there's a condoms around us. We are always there's 2 places that we go usually with our truck. Places where condoms or places where fishing hooks. So whenever there's a fishers or push lovers, we go there. Yeah. this is good place to spend a couple of nights sheltering the rain. Feeling good in Spain in winter. Again, it's really cold in Finland, so compared what we have in home at the moment to this is heaven.